That the social studies lesson come right alive. We taught them about weathering, erosion, and deposition. Look at that, people. The land was eroding, and the rain washed it away in a landslide, and it came right down here and deposited. And look all the way down. See it there? All sort of deposition. Going all the way down in the deep, deep valleys of the Blue Mountain. Whole heap of erosion. Soil erosion, landslide, everything, land slippages. Wow, and then over there now you have the contour farming, how to retain the land. You see the contour farming over there, so the whole social studies lesson, listen. See the physical features. We are learning about mountain valleys, see there? Mountain valleys, plateau, and then you have the how to retain the land there, so the contour farming and the terracing. Terracing where you cut the land in steps, in the little trenches coming down to retain the land from washing away. All of the physical features. Listen, they're right here, so trust me. In living colors, up in the Blue Mountain hike. Wow.